Standing up to pee is one of the greatest gifts granted to men. It's quick, easy, and let's be honest, fun. However, recent cultural trends have given rise to a sweeping epidemic causing more and more men to pee sitting down. So, is it healthier for men to pee sitting down? What are the health benefits of peeing sitting down? What are the pros of peeing sitting down for men with a prostate condition? Stay tuned to know all that and more. Peeing sitting down has a lot of health benefits. The first benefit, you, hopefully, won't get piss all over. When you're sitting, you've got better aim. If you're sitting in the right place, then chances are you will get it in the right place. The second benefit, you can relax. Taking a quick bathroom break doesn't always amount to an actual break. You're literally missing away an opportunity to sit down, relax in the middle of your busy day. The third benefit, you can get all the pee out. Most young men should be able to piss while standing up just as well as they can while sitting down, but for some men, sitting down is sometimes the only way they feel like they're able to get it all out. The fourth benefit, you can pee peacefully and quietly. Be considerate, sit and piss in peace and quiet, and enjoy the aforementioned benefits while you're at it. You'll make the world a better place. The last reported data on the issue from 2007 suggested that a whopping 42% of married men sat down to pee, most likely to avoid seat drips and the wrath of their fuming wives. Evidence suggests that it most certainly is normal to sit down and pee. Is it healthy? Yes, and much more so than standing apparently. According to research from the Leiden University Medical Center in the Netherlands, sitting down to pee allows for a more favorable urodynamic profile which helps ward off prostate problems. The study goes on to suggest that when we stand, we activate muscles around our lower abdomen, pelvis, and spine that actually prevent proper urination. What are the pros of peeing sitting down for men with a prostate condition? Sitting down is a better option for men with prostate conditions or men who just can't stand up for a long time, said Dr. Mills. A lot of guys sit to pee if they can't fully evacuate their bladder. When you sit down, you can use your abdominal muscles more, and you get your last few squirts out and feel like you've emptied better. Pee sitting down and lower urinary tract symptoms. The meta-analysis showed that men with lower urinary tract symptoms were able to empty their bladders more completely, leaving 25 fewer milliliters of urine in their bladders. Men with lower urinary tract symptoms also had a stronger flow and took 0.62 seconds shorter to urinate, but these two results were just shy of statistical significance.